I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
All right, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. Clean with me. Who made this big mess? It was me. I was a clown that made this big mess. So we start off with me grooving and dancing because the jams are so good right now. I'm going to give you like snippets of what I'm listening to throughout this video so you guys can enjoy the music. But as you know, because of YouTube rules and guidelines, I cannot let you listen to what I'm listening to. But based on the way I'm chucking and jiving, you can tell that the music is good. I believe I was listening to some Jay-Z, Big Pimpin' when I was cleaning at this very moment. So I'm going to be cleaning mostly my kitchen area / living room area. Guys, I'm still adjusting to my living space. Even though I just moved here earlier this year, I have been so determined to like get specific things in order before the end of the year. This is tough. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna adjust to living in a house, but I am just cleaning very, very profoundly to just, have my apartment to a certain cleanliness that makes me happy. But I think one of the sucky parts of living alone is that if there's a mess, it's no one else's problem but yours. It's your fault. You made that mess, and now you have to clean it. So I don't always like jam to music like this often, but as you see, I am truly enjoying myself. But yeah, I'll let you guys enjoy the tunes. So I have so many clothes to go through. I'm still trying to figure out this donation process. Like, I genuinely want to donate things. I may just donate that too. I have laundry to do. Do not judge. I have to clean my bathroom. It is a hot ass mess. I don't even want to show y'all the shower, but I'm gonna show y'all. I bought me a brush set to clean with. So we're going to be using that today and see how it works, because I keep seeing it online. And this is my mess. I have a mess up here. My bed is not even made. Listen, I went on vacation, and I don't know how it is for other people, but when you come back from vacation and you just have this. Yes. So because I'm doing laundry and I'm unpacking, I can take stuff out of my suitcase. I need to go through my drawers. I need to purge. And because I have been losing weight, I am definitely purging. I'm going to be getting my bundles together because I want to do a quick weave, and I'm going to show you guys that to organize my jewelry. Yeah. My makeup is still packed from vacation, so I need to unpack it. Never mind what you just saw there. And I want to just clean this area up too. I am expecting a package for a new storage that I'm gonna put in my bathroom over there in that corner. It's like a white armoire kind of, but it's short, the same height as this. And maybe it'll fit here, or maybe it'll fit over here on this wall better. and it'll help me, like, because I don't want this out anymore. You know, I honestly don't want to have these things out anymore. I really am trying to strive to organize things before the end of the year. But yeah, and I'm gonna start working out, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to work out. And yeah, I'll be back. How far I made it with half my mess. I'll show you guys everything because you guys see me in the mirror. But yeah, I'm gonna fix those shoes, do something drastic with them. But it's late now, so this is as far as I got. I had to make literally 3 piles. 1, 2, 3. That's like a not keeping pile. I gotta do something with that. Guys, pray for me. But definitely progress. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. Good day, everybody. So I look rough. I just woke up. We are now going to be tackling some of the mess I've made. I'm gonna build this. I haven't cleaned the bathroom yet because I need to build this first. Once you see it, it will make sense. I showed you my bedroom yesterday. That needs to be done too. So today is a bit of a busy day. We're gonna have our tea. We're gonna put our TV on, we'll put this box on the floor, and then we're gonna get to work. So, time now is 9:07. I'll check back in with you and keep you updated. Bye. Guys, don't judge me. A year and a half later. I'm only kidding, it's not a year and a half, but finally done with this shit. I mean, this thing. So this is the infamous bathroom reveal. I'm very proud of it. As you can see here, that unit that I mentioned, I built it and it fit perfectly in this corner, and my new curtains and the less bulk and things on the counter. So I'm really excited about this bathroom. And I'm excited to continue to update different spaces in my home. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think below. Okay, y'all, so remember that 3 clothes pile? It has now become this mountain of clothes, and I'm sorry, but please don't judge me. I'm trying to downsize my wardrobe. I'm trying to organize my closet, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to organize my bags, which is why, I mentioned the cubbies. I'm trying to learn how to use the space above in my closet and just make better use of my closet. Y'all, I'm so proud of my closet. Okay, I'm not done, Now I have to downsize on my wardrobe. I have too many pants, like too many jeans, and I'm losing weight, so things aren't fitting me. But, the blankets and stuff for the winter, I still don't know. I have a bunch of suitcases up here. But I am so proud of myself. I'm proud of this, progression. This is like filming equipment. But I love it. It's clean, it's organized. This is my travel pillow, my bed sheets and stuff, my purses. But yeah, I think this is progression from what it looked like before. I'm still learning how to use these things on the side. So I don't know. I might put purses in them. I might not. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm so proud of this. I've even organized my drawers. I put things on their side so that you can see them and get to them easier. T-shirts, I put them this way so that I can be able to see what's what easier. Yeah, makes things so much easier. Some winter stuff here. I'm trying to transition into the weather change. But I'm noticing that putting things, that way is smarter than just putting it this way. This is all regarding bedding and stuff. I still have laundry to do, so I'm gonna have an excess of it. These are like pillowcases and bed sheets.
I'm supposed to try really hard to stay here with somebody who doesn't care. That's like, it knows like that.
So I was very troubled on what to do with this area. I'm telling you that I'm buying a shoe storage for it, and I'm gonna put it in that corner so I can just, get this area cleaned up. And then I'm showing you what else is left for me to clean. I have to clean this area, recycle those boxes, and just get my entryway cleaner. I don't know what to do with the storage that I bought. But yeah, this is what it looks like, my entryway at the moment. But
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute